Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use the updated lightning-fast volume mixer in Windows 11 to adjust the sound levels for specific apps individually. Crucial requirement: the specific app you want to tweak, like Spotify, Chrome, or a game, must be actively open and playing audio, or Windows will hide it from the control panel list. First, open your app, start playing your media, and look down at the bottom right corner of your desktop taskbar. Click once on the Quick Settings cluster. This is the single combined button containing your Wi-Fi, volume, and battery icons. When the control panel pops up, look at the main volume slider bar and click the Select a Sound Output icon. It's the small headphone or speaker graphic sitting directly to the right of the volume bar. You can also press Windows key plus Control plus V simultaneously on your keyboard. This flips the panel over to reveal your audio routing properties. Scroll down slightly to the bottom of this submenu, and you will see the dedicated volume mixer section. Windows will display a clean, live list of every single active program that is currently pumping sound through your hardware. Locate the specific app you want to adjust and slide its dedicated volume bar left or right to set your preferred audio balance. And that's it! Your per-app audio tracking is now completely optimized and locked down. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.